our first on the list. Oh, ayan na. Yan. Makakasama muna namin ikaw dito. Pero kumusta ka ngayong gabi, Ron?
Ang makasama dito sa international, sa patimpalang ito ay napakalaking sa akin, napakalaking chance na kumbaga, ito yung pinaka-chance na hinihiling ko simula pagkabata o base sa aking experience na napakalaking achievement na, kumbaga.
Thank you so much. Pero hindi pa yun yung question ko talaga, Ron.
Sorry.
Ito pa lang yung tanong. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is the most rewarding part about being a professional model and endorser?
Ang natutunan ko is kailangan, hindi lang maganda ang itsura mo, ang katawan mo, physical mo, at itsura mo. Kailangan, pati rin ang puso mo. Yun ang nagsisilbing lakas at panindigan, hindi lang sa isip, sa gawa, pati na rin sa salita. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, MIPH 33, Ron Carlos Cruz, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Maraming salamat sa iyo. We also have the Mr. Bohemian Award, awarded to the candidate who stood out in the Bohemian Project Challenge, showcasing creative direction, strong visuals, and authenticity. And our Mr. Bohemian is MIPH 7, Kyle Geroca, Cagayan Province.
Congratulations, Kyle. Let's get right to your question. As an artist, if you could draw one image to represent Mr. International Philippines, what would it look like? Bilang isang alagad ng sining, kung makakaguhit ka ng isang imahe para katawanin ang Mr. International Philippines, ano ang itsura nito?
If I would draw an image of Mr. International Philippines, I would probably draw myself because I am distinctively handsome. That's all, thank you.
Gusto ko yun. Hashtag distinctively handsome. Next up is our fan favorite award. This candidate topped our official online polls via Vote Labs PH, consistently leading in engagement and support throughout the voting period.
Fan favorite award winner is MIPH 20, Darwin Sigat, Los Baños, Laguna.
Congratulations for being part of the top 22. Here is your question. You said you joined out of boredom. Now you're here. What changed? In Tagalog, sumali ka dahil sa pagkabagot. Ngayon, narito ka na. Ano ang nagbago?
Yes, that's true. I joined out of boredom, but I want to make the most out of it. That's why I challenged myself by joining this pageant. And I was able to gain confidence and had a moment of self-discovery. And whenever you're bored, don't just do nothing. Do something meaningful. Make the most out of everything. Thank you.
Thank you so much to you. Congratulations. And finally, the People's Choice Awards. These awards go to the candidates who captured massive support online, proving that their charm and presence resonated with audiences everywhere. And our winners for this award, MIPH 18, Simon Joseph Javier, Las Piñas City.
Good evening,
Good evening everyone. How's it going?
Simon, as an influencer with over 13 million followers, how do you keep your energy high and your feet on the ground? Sa Tagalog, bilang isang influencer na may mahigit 13 milyong tagasunod, paano mo pinapatili ang iyong sigla habang nananatiling mapagkumbaba?
Thank you for that question. I feel absolutely incredible right now. First of all, I want to say it's all because of God. Because of God, I got this courage to have passion, to have purpose, and to have energy. I am known on social media as Mr. Energy because I love what I do. I love making people happy, and I will always stay humble, stay unique, and stay true to myself, just being the best version of myself. And that is why I'm unique, and that is why I am confidently beautiful with the heart. Thank you.
I love your energy, Simon. MIPH, last being my season. Thank you so much. And our next winner for this award, People's Choice Awards, is MIPH. MIPH won the Mark Arturo Albay.
First of all, congratulations, and here is your question. As an industrial engineer, how do you balance logic with creativity, especially when modeling? Bilang isang industrial engineer, paano mo binabalanse ang lohika at pagkamalikhain, lalo na sa pagmamodelo?
I always tell myself that I should not be afraid to take chances and to make mistakes. That's why everything that I do, I always make sure that I became proud of myself. So in everything that I do, so to every one of you here, do not be afraid to take chances and do not be afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes is part of our life for us to grow and to be the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much.
Wow, in everything that I do it for me too. Thank you so much, MIPH Albay. And our last winner for People's Choice Awards is MIPH 22, Lloyd Christopher David Manila.
Again, as a TV personality, how do you handle fame while staying authentic?
That's a good question, actually. By staying grounded in my truth, my story, and my purpose. My journey here in Mr. International Philippines has always been rooted in purpose. And that is to advocate for what I really believe in, which is mental health. That I wanted to be a living testament to everyone that despite you having mental illness, you can still win and achieve something in life. You know, I always think that fame will always fade, but my purpose is my legacy. And it is my story and my intention that sets me apart and makes me a distinctively handsome Mr.
Very well said, MIPH Manila. Congratulations to you. Thank you so much. With 6 fast track winners already moving forward, we now complete the lineup with 16 more candidates chosen by our esteemed panel of judges.
And each name we call will now be one step closer to the crown. Let's begin!
Let's begin! Joining the top 22 is MIPH 3, Ivan Ginel de Leon Bataan.
Hello, Ivan. I hope you're feeling great tonight. Congratulations. congratulations on making it to the top 22.
Thank you so
Here is your question. As the representative of Bataan, how do you bring pride to your province in the national and bigger spotlight? Do you want it in Tagalog?
Yeah.
Bilang kinatawan ng Bataan, paano mo may pagmamalaki ang iyong probinsya sa pambansang entablado at mas malaking entablado?
As you all know that the preliminaries happen in Bataan. And actually, this is a great opportunity for me to showcase what Bataan can offer. And that's the purpose of it. And to everyone who believed in me, to my fellow candidates, I hope that you enjoyed. And I know that that preliminaries in Bataan gave a purpose. And that purpose is to showcase the true beauty of Bataan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MIPH Bataan. Congratulations. Also advancing is MIPH 31, Julius Irving Millions of the province.
Here is your question, Julius. As Ginoong Rizal Charity, what does charity work mean to you? Bilang Ginoong Rizal Charity, ano ang kahulugan ng gawaing kawang-gawa para sa'yo?
It would definitely mean a lot to me because as a working student, I am the one who values education so much. Because I know that education can take us so far in our life. And I know that education is valuable to each and every one of us to have a brighter future. And that's actually what I wanted to amplify in order for us to have a brighter future and to always make sure that Filipinos can rise above all odds. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, MIPH 31, Rizal Province. Joining them in the next round is MIPH 2, Michael Francis Usha, Palayan, Batangas.
Good evening, Michael. Here is your question. As a digital creator, how can you use your platform to amplify the Mr. International Philippines brand? Bilang isang digital creator, paano mo magagamit ang iyong plataforma para mas mapalakas ang pangalan ng Mr. International Philippines?
As a content creator, I could amplify the Mr. International Philippines by creating a content showing that Mr. International is not just about how you see us in this stage right now, but the stories behind the stage, the struggles, the sacrifices, just to show you and to showcase you what we can do right now. And with that, I could say that Mr. International Philippines is not just making a crowns for the kings, but values and purpose for the kings to inspire the people.
Thank you so much, MIPH Batayan, Batangas. Alright, joining them in the next round is MIPH 27, Emerjan Boto, Pampanga.
Good evening, Kabalen. Congratulations. As a civil engineer, what blueprint would you design to build a stronger, prouder Filipino identity? Bilang isang civil engineer, anong disenyo ang bubuuin mo para mas pagtibayin at ipagmalaki ang pagkakakilanlan ng isang Pilipino?
As an engineer working in our local government, I've experienced seeing every student lacking finance to their educational fees. So I'm helping them to acquire their scholarship grants and educational assistance funded by the local government. So for me, I believe with education, they can surely change their lives and move forward with opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MIPH Pampanga. And next to secure his place in the top 22 is MIPH 17, Andre Bolisto, Laguna.
Congratulations, Andre. Here is your question. As a criminology student, what does being a future police officer teach you about protecting more than just people, but values? Bilang estudyante ng criminology, ano ang natutunan mo bilang magiging pulis pagdating sa pagprotekta, hindi lang sa tao, kundi pati sa mga pinahalagahan natin bilang lipunan?
Para po sa akin, ang pagiging criminologist ay hindi lamang sa pagprotekta sa ibang tao, kundi part na rin po ito kung paano natin i-disiplina yung ating sarili. Disiplina kung saan makakatulong tayo sa ibang tao at mas ma-improve natin yung sarili natin sa ibang bagay. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, MIPH Laguna. And you are also in MIPH 13, JR Higiena, Philcom, KSA.
Congratulations to my fellow OFW. Congratulations. Here's your question. What do you think OFWs like you can teach the world about Filipino resilience? Sa tingin mo, ano ang may tuturo ng mga OFW na tulad mo sa mundo tungkol sa tibay ng loob ng pagiging Pilipino?
I am working an OFW for almost 5 years. And I know what resilience means to me. It's all about rising above distance and sacrifices. I turned pain into purpose. And now, I'm strong to stand to represent the true strength of Filipino wherever in international countries that I want to go. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MIPH Philcom, KSA. And you are also in MIPH 10, John Steve Godia Castaño, Davao City.
Good evening and congratulations, John. As a fitness model, what is the biggest misconception about fitness models that you want to break? Bilang isang fitness model, ano ang pinakamalaking maling akala tungkol sa inyo na gusto mong itama?
A pleasant evening to everyone. The misconception that I wanted to remove about fitness, being fit in the fitness industry, is if you work out today, you will get the result tomorrow. That's not how it works. Everything takes time for it to be developed. And if you fail in your life at the beginning, work for it. If you fail 100 times, work for it 101 times. Good evening, everyone. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, MIPH Davao City. You're one step closer to the ground. MIPH 6, Marlo Martin, Bulacan Province.
As an altar server, what life lesson from church service still guides you in this new world of pageantry? Bilang isang sakristan, anong aral sa simbahan ang dala-dala mo pa rin ngayon sa mundo ng pageantry?
There are 3 qualities that I gain from being an altar server. First, be humble. Second, discipline. And most especially, resilient. That's why I'm standing here in front of you all, saying that you can prove something better for your better future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MIPH Bulacan Province. And you made it to top 22, MIPH 23, Jose Carlos Maras, Metro Glor.
As a runway model, how do you use your Moreno beauty to redefine Filipino masculinity?
Well, I am promoting the natural looks of a Filipino because being a Moreno is closely to be my power to be the distinctively handsome international Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MIPH Metro Glor. And keep that plus going for MIPH 15, Gabriel Maicon, Ilocos Sur.
As a registered nurse, how would you use the MIPH platform to champion mental health? Bilang isang registered nurse, paano mo gagamitin ang MIPH platform para itaguyod ang mental health?
Mental health has been always a challenge for men. Because men always thinks, or this is the stigma for men, that showing your weakness or vulnerable side is a weakness. But don't be, because that's the real strength. Feeling all your feelings is very important for men, because that's complete you. And disregarding it disregards your life. That's why I want to use this platform to remind all of you to stop being scared showing your vulnerable side. Because it's not a weakness, it is your strength. Gather all your strength, show your emotions, and feel your emotions. Thank you.
Maraming salamat MIPH Ilocos Sur. Still in the running for the title, MIPH 14, Lars Ken Dawson, Philcon, USA.
As a professional model and brand ambassador, after joining an international pageant, how does MIPH feel different? Bilang isang professional na modelo at brand ambassador, paano naiiba ang Mr. International Philippines kumpara sa ibang international pageant na nasalihan mo na?
When I joined my first international pageant, it was held in Bali. And we really got to immerse in their culture, heritage, arts, and tourism. But what makes Mr. International different is it's all here. Being a representative of the Filipino community, we are often attacked or bashed that we are never Filipino enough to represent the Philippines. But I want to redefine the standards that the true Filipino is international, multinational, multiracial. Thank you so much.
Very well said, MIPH, Philcon, USA. And now please step forward, MIPH for Justin Cortejos, Batangas Province.
Justin, as a barista and fitness enthusiast, how do you blend passion and purpose into your daily grind? Bilang isang barista at fitness enthusiast, paano mo pinagsasama ang passion at purpose sa araw-araw mong buhay?
Well, as a barista, I see Kaping Barako as a mirror po strong, bold, rich in culture, and always ready to awaken others. And that's the mixtures of qualities that I have. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MIPH Batangas Province. You've earned your spot, MIPH 35, Hiplim, Ersansen Morales, Surigao del Norte.
As a student and a proud Surigao-non, what does it mean for a Surigao-non like you to finally go national? Bilang isang estudyante at proud na Surigao-non, ano ang pakiramdam na sa wakas ay nakarating ka sa pambansang kompetisyon?
Being in this stage is a blessing, and it's a big opportunity for me. And in fact, I am the first Mr. International Surigao del Norte. And I am here to make an impact in my community, to be an example that it doesn't matter where you are or where you came from. What matters most is you are very disciplined and you want to achieve your goals in life. And my message is, embrace your uniqueness and follow your own star. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, MIPH Surigao del Norte. And moving forward in the competition is MIPH 36, Ramis Tuko Nuki Tarna.
This is very interesting. How does being tall, dark, and handsome challenge or help you in real life? Paano nakatutulong o minsan nakakasagabal sa iyo ang pagiging tall, dark, and handsome sa tunay na buhay?
For me, nakakatulong sa akin ang pagiging gwapo dahil Hindi lang sa physical na anyo, at kundi sa tulad din ng inner natin, inner soul of the personal life. At para sa akin ay nakakatulong din ang pagiging malaki dahil ito ang aking physical na tulad ng ano ko sa akin. And for me, being here, I am grateful and honored. Thank you.
Maraming salamat MIPH, Carla. And only 2 more names to go, and you are one of them. MIPH 21, John Paulo de la Cruz, Lucena City.
Hi, John. You have a lot of supporters and followers tonight. As a fitness enthusiast, what can the discipline of fitness training teach young men today? Bilang isang fitness enthusiast, ano ang may tuturo ng disiplina sa pag-ehersisyo sa mga kabataang lalaki ngayon?
I'm a disciplined person. I want to teach the youths that you need to be goal-driven, disciplined, hardworking when it comes to fitness, because it's an everyday routine and you need to do your diet, your consistency, and hard work. Thank you.
Maraming salamat MIPH, Lucena City. And completing our top 22 is MIPH 16, Adrian Ayala Isabela.
Good evening, Adrian. Congratulations for making it to the top 22. Here's your question. What makes a marine engineer like you a powerful candidate for an international pageant? Ano ang meron sa isang marine engineer tulad mo na sa tingin mo ay magiging lakas mo sa isang international pageant?
Being a marine engineer or seafarers are also known to be fierce, independent, courageous warriors. And I believe those qualities is what makes a Mr. International team. And I do also believe that these qualities will make me victorious tonight. Good evening.
Thank you so much and congratulations to you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our top 22 for Mr. International Philippines 2025.
And that's what this competition is really about. Finding a representative who's not just hashtag distinctively handsome, but also with purpose.
And we've gotten a glimpse of who they are beyond the spotlight. And in a competition this strong-wise, every answer truly counts.
That's right, and from here, the journey becomes even more intense. So to walk us through what's next, let's turn it over to our on-ground hosts, Jake and Ryan. Take it away.
Thank you so much.